Have you ever wondered what truly happens to your body when you eat 2 eggs a day? For years, eggs have sparked debate. Some people worry about cholesterol and possible health risks, while others see them as essential powerhouses. Recent studies offer a clearer picture. 2 eggs a day can impact energy, metabolism, and even heart function, but it's more nuanced than you might expect. Eggs are sometimes called nature's multivitamin. Each one provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein, plus essential amino acids that help build and repair muscle, support healthy skin, and fortify the immune system. At only around 78 calories per large egg, they pack a serious nutritional punch without overloading your daily calorie count. In terms of vitamins, eggs contain A for vision and immunity, B12 for brain health and red blood cell formation, and D for bone support and calcium uptake. There's also vitamin E, an antioxidant, and vitamin K, which helps with bone structure and blood clotting. Meanwhile, minerals like phosphorus and selenium contribute to healthy teeth, bones, and cellular protection against oxidative stress. One of the most overlooked nutrients in eggs is choline. This substance plays a key role in brain function, memory, and even cell membrane integrity. Eating 2 eggs can deliver a substantial portion of your daily choline requirement, helping to keep mental performance and brain health on track. If your goal is weight management, eggs might be a valuable ally. Protein helps keep you full, which can limit the urge to snack on high-calorie foods. Studies suggest that those who eat eggs for breakfast are less inclined to overeat later, potentially leading to a slight calorie deficit throughout the day. When combined with nutritious sides like vegetables, oats, or avocado, eggs become part of a balanced meal that boosts satiety. Eggs aren't just about weight. They also do wonders for eye health. Inside the yolk are lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that filter harmful blue light from screens or sunshine. These compounds accumulate in the retina and may help ward off age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. The vitamin A found in eggs plays a similar role in safeguarding healthy vision, especially in lower light conditions. Brain health also stands to gain from 2 eggs a day. Choline supports the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, essential for memory, learning, and mood. Deficiencies could impair neuronal communication. Eggs also supply B vitamins like B6, B9, folate, and B12, which help regulate homocysteine levels. This regulation is vital because elevated homocysteine is linked to cognitive decline and disorders like Alzheimer's. Beyond the brain, eggs can help strengthen the immune system. Vitamin A keeps mucous membranes intact, vitamins B12 and D work closely with immune cells, and selenium functions as an antioxidant to shield these cells from free radical damage. When included in a diet that features fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-dense foods, eggs become part of an effective strategy for keeping illness at bay. Controlling blood sugar is an often overlooked benefit. Eggs have almost no carbs, so they won't cause sharp glucose spikes. This stable energy release reduces demands on insulin, which can be a big advantage for those with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Paired with high-fiber foods, 2 eggs can help maintain steady energy, minimize cravings, and lower the likelihood of frequent insulin surges. A long-standing question is how eggs affect cholesterol and heart health. While they do contain dietary cholesterol, newer research shows that, for most healthy people, consuming up to 2 eggs a day has minimal effect on blood LDL levels. Some individuals even see an increase in HDL, good cholesterol, which helps shuttle excess cholesterol out of the bloodstream. Eggs also supply antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, helping combat inflammation. Still, anyone with cardiovascular conditions or a history of high cholesterol should talk to a healthcare provider before significantly increasing egg consumption. Eggs can also promote a healthy appearance from the inside out. Protein is crucial for hair and nails, helping maintain their strength and thickness. Biotin, found primarily in egg yolks, is known for enhancing hair, skin, and nail integrity. Vitamins A and E combat dryness and cellular damage, while minerals like zinc and selenium work as antioxidants, supporting a youthful look. If you're focusing on muscle growth, it's no coincidence that athletes frequently choose eggs as a staple protein source. Not only do they supply an optimal range of amino acids for building muscle, but they are also highly digestible, which means the body can quickly absorb their nutrients, speeding up recovery after workouts. The presence of leucine, an amino acid that jumpstarts protein synthesis, plays a big part in muscle health. Living a longer, healthier life often depends on maintaining muscle mass as we age. 2 eggs daily can support this goal by offering high-quality protein and a variety of micronutrients that keep tissues strong. Meanwhile, antioxidants such as selenium fight oxidative stress, one of the main contributors to early cellular aging. This combination might help support overall longevity. So, what's the best way to cook eggs to preserve nutrients? Boiling is a great choice because it avoids excessive fats and keeps the yolk's vitamins intact. Poached eggs, gently cooked in hot water, also help maintain nutritional value. Scrambled eggs can be beneficial too. Just go easy on added butter or oil, and consider mixing in vegetables for fiber and antioxidants. Raw eggs carry risks, particularly salmonella, and they contain avidin, which can block biotin absorption. For maximum benefits without unnecessary hazards, it's better to consume them fully cooked. People with weaker immune systems, pregnant women, and older adults should be especially cautious about undercooked eggs. Always inspect the shell before cracking. A clean, intact shell usually indicates a safe egg, while cracks can let bacteria inside. Eggs should also be refrigerated to extend their shelf life. Washing them before storage may remove a protective film, so if you must wash them, do it right before cooking. For those who prefer different varieties, quail eggs and duck eggs have unique benefits. Quail eggs contain more iron and vitamin B12 proportionately, making them a great option if you don't mind their smaller size. Duck eggs, larger and richer in fats, can offer a creamier taste, though their higher cholesterol content and risk of contamination mean they must be thoroughly cooked. Choose the type of egg that best fits your nutritional needs and taste. If you can't eat eggs for health, ethical, or personal reasons, there are still alternatives. Chia seeds mixed with water form a gel that can bind recipes in much the same way egg whites do. Mashed bananas or applesauce can replace eggs in many baked goods. Meanwhile, plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu can deliver many of the same nutrients. Small dietary choices often bring the biggest transformations. Eggs appear to be a good example of that. By adding 2 eggs a day, cooked in a healthy way, combined with other whole foods, and handled safely, you could promote muscle health, keep your immune system strong, maintain steady blood sugar, and potentially support cognitive function over time. It's important to remember that no single food will solve every health concern. Eggs work best as part of a varied diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. If you have specific dietary concerns or a medical history of high cholesterol, diabetes, or allergies, consulting a healthcare provider is always wise. Thank you for watching and learning about the surprising benefits and some potential pitfalls of consuming 2 eggs a day. We'd love to know your experiences. Have you seen a positive change in energy, focus, or overall well-being after adding eggs to your routine? Or perhaps you found an egg alternative you love? Please share your thoughts in the comments and let us know where you're tuning in from. Don't forget to follow our channel for more insights on living a healthier and more vibrant life. Your support means everything, and we look forward to hearing your stories.